everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you're wanting to know what can you do to help heal yourself or promote healing or promote well-being, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to give you a simple technique using water. And listen, it works. The only thing I want you to do is to have an open mind about this. But before we get started, I am going to ask you to watch this video all the way to the end to get the extra tips that I might add on. And if you're new to this channel, please, this is a law of attraction, metaphysical channel that gives life-changing information. So if you want more videos like this, you want to join the family, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Now, if you want to know what technique that I'm going to show you for healing using water, keep watching. So now I'm back, everyone. So now what is it that I have to tell you about promoting well-being using water? Now listen, this only takes about a minute, but I do want to explain it to you so that you guys understand. I've done many videos like this before, but today we're going to focus on healing because there's so many people out there needing some type of healing. Now, there has been experiments done based on water and how water absorbs emotions, okay? What you say to your water or what you do to your water absolutely affects you internally. Now, because we know water absorbs a lot of feelings and a lot of emotions, what you're saying to yourself, because your body is made up of more than 60% of water, is going to affect you. So with this right here, the healing technique we're going to use is programming your water for healing, okay? Again, I've done this video before, but this one is directly related to healing. So the only thing you're going to do is you're going to take a glass of water. Before you guys ask me, can we use a bottled water or a cup of water? Listen, whatever it is you use, that's up to you. For this video, I am using a glass of water. The water that I'm using comes from my filtered refrigerator that has a filter on the air and a filter on the water. If you don't have that and you're using water from a bottle, pour it into the glass. If you're using faucet water, that's okay too. But the purer the water that you have available to you, that is what you should use. So now, what I would do is I would pour myself a glass of water. You might want to rub your hands together and cause friction or cause energy to build up between your hands before holding the glass. Now, the thing is, you're holding this glass and you're putting your energy in it, and you are going to visualize what it is you want. Perfect health, okay? You want to see, be, and do whatever it is you want when it comes to health. So let's just say you have a problem with cancer or you have a problem with diabetes or hypertension. You're going to say to yourself or say to the glass or look in the glass and say perfect health, perfect health, perfect health. I am made in the image of God. God is perfect and so am I. As I drink this water represents perfect health. I am putting in this glass perfect health. And as I consume it, I become perfect also. These are little things that you can say. Now, I just made that up, but that's how easy it can flow to you. And as you hold the glass, you're going to see yourself being, doing, having whatever it is that you want. Perfect health. See yourself running, jumping up, laughing, talking to your family members, saying, I am healed, I am perfect, I am complete. You can continue to say perfect, whole, and complete, perfect health, and visualize this for the next minute or two. Then I want you to thank God for the perfect healing and then drink the water. Listen, this is powerful because you are absorbing, drinking water that has been programmed for perfect health. You might say, well, Yvette, that's kind of simple. It's very simple. Listen. It's the simple things that work the best. And I'm giving you the knowledge that you need. This is no games or anything. When we're speaking about health, it is a very serious matter, and I don't take it lightly. You drink your water You program your water and you drink it, okay? This is powerful because it's 60% of your body. So if you got anything going on in your body, your water is 60%. Now, to add some tips to this, you can absolutely have water in your refrigerator that you prepared, and you can write on it, perfect health. Perfect health. And you can place it on your water and leave it in the refrigerator. You can place it in a glass jar and place perfect health on it and program it with your hands and say, this water is programmed for perfect health for me. I see myself being, doing, having whatever it is that I want. And I see myself as in the image of God in perfect health. God is perfect, I am perfect, and I am perfect health. And place it in your refrigerator and pour your water from that and drink it. Another thing that you can use to add on to your water besides a piece of paper, and I spoke about this in another video, and that is sacred geometry signs. This is Shri Yantra. You can use Metatron's cube. You can use the flower of life. Listen, these are the blueprints of who we are. You can place a flower of life on your glass or your pitcher and use that to energize your water for perfect healing, for healing water, and use that to drink, okay? So if you have a jar of water that you programmed for healing, you can tape Shri Yantra to it. I sell these on my site as pendants, but you can absolutely tape this on your jar of water, or you can get a picture of Shri Yantra, Metatron's cube, or flower of life and place it on your jar for healing. Also write on the jar, this is for healing. Healing water, well-being water, perfect water of light, God's water. Whatever you want to place on your water to represent healing, you do that. And that's all it is. So listen, this is Yvette, always giving you guys information to change your life. Today we spoke about healing water. I don't take this too lightly. When it comes down to healing, I get very serious. Now, blessings to you. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. Any information that you need concerning anything that I mentioned here is in the description. Again, this is Yvette, and namaste.